Addition and subtraction of decimals. Decimals are a fun and useful way to represent parts of a whole. Learning how to add and subtract decimals can seem tricky at first, but with clear steps and examples, kids can master this topic easily. What are decimals? A decimal is a number with a dot called the decimal point. Example: 3.5, 3.5, or 1.25, 1 25/100. Why learn addition and subtraction of decimals? We use decimals in daily life, like money, measuring lengths, and calculating weights. Example: buying 2 items costing $2.50 and $1.75 and finding the total amount. Steps for adding and subtracting decimals. Line up the decimal points. Always write the numbers so that the decimal points are aligned vertically. This ensures the correct placement of tenths, hundredths, etc. Steps for adding and subtracting decimals. Add or subtract as normal. Ignore the decimal point and work with the numbers as if they were whole numbers. Steps for adding and subtracting decimals. After completing the calculation, place the decimal point directly below the line. Steps for adding and subtracting decimals. Add zeros, if needed. If one number has fewer digits after the decimal point, add zeros to make them equal.